Good morning. Today I'm going to glue down the roadbed and also then glue the track down to that intersection that I finally came up where I'm going to do with the switches and so forth. And also I have to cut out the existing track that's already glued down and cut that out to insert that other switch that I want to put in. So that would be what I'm going to be doing today. So let's get at it. Okay, you can see where I have it all marked off all the way around. So that's the center mark for the roadbed. And this roadbed, I know, just split it apart. You got an angle one end and an angle the other end, side I should say. And just using a siliconized acrylic caulk works good. Decent bead around. I put it right on the line because when you spread it out, it's a little transparent so you can see it. You can still see the black line. I see some people when they use this wood scenic incline stuff, they put tape across the top, or they'll cover it with plastic Paris or something to make it solid. But I'm afraid if I did something like that, it'd be too lumpy, be up and down. And I was going to use the tape. I did it on a couple things, but I was afraid the tape might pull up. So I just do it this way, and it's been holding really good. So now I just follow on that black line. Like so. Put this one on. Make sure they're together. I take my roller and just roll it down. Make it flat, push it on evenly. Alright. I just pin it. Like I said, I work all the way around. Then I'll do another section, another length, and just continue around. So I'll finish doing this and then we'll come back. Alright, oh, I got it on the roadbed all glued down and pinned. And I'll keep it like that and let it dry overnight. And then tomorrow, pull the pins out and sand it to the sides and give it a sanding on the top, get things level. And then we can start gluing the track down. So till tomorrow. Alright, so it's all set overnight, glued. Took off all the pins. I sanded everything. I'll just show you a little bit. After I take the pins all out before we glue the track down, gotta sand down the sides, give it that angle on one side. This is 100 grit sandpaper I got here. Just knock those burrs off. I take a small block of wood, just go over the top. Sure feels everything feels good. Here, just a little hump feels like. That's good, that's good. Alright, clean it up. It's a nice little vacuum. I had bought a Willix Scenics small little vacuum, chargeable one. It's okay, but this one really works great. It's got a filter you can clean everything. If anybody's interested in this, just leave a comment down below, and I will get the information that I have for it and send it to you. All right. I think we're about time to start gluing her down. Just using plain old white Elmer's glue. This is the glue all one, not the craft stuff. It's the first time I used this glue on the track. I don't know how it would be with HO, but it works good with this end gauge. If you do have to take it up, it's not a big major thing. You don't ruin the roadbed. Smear it out a little bit. A little thin. All right. I lost the joiner. I got the joiner, put that in. Sure my rails are tight. Start pinning it down. Now what I do sometimes is check it. I have my 2 gauges here. Just to make sure we're okay. And that's how I'll do it. I'll continue all the way around, and I'll come back when I get this completed. Alrighty, so I got all the track glued and pinned down, hooked up there, got that turnout in there, all the way up. Oh yeah, and up there too, I started to get the siding to go to the coal mine. Got to have 3 sidings coming off of there. So I started getting that glued in. And this is all done. So I'll let that dry rest of the day and overnight. Be nice and hard, and tomorrow I can pull the pins and that'll be ready for when we get to painting. So I said I got a few odds and ends I'm going to do, and then that's it. Like I said, I got to get this painted before it gets too cold out. So, all right. The next thing we will do is put some feeder lines in. So we'll be doing that next after everything dries. So stay tuned. All right. I think that's going to do it for today. So please, if you could, subscribe. I'd really appreciate it. Hit the like button. That just helped me morally and help me stay in good graces with YouTube. What we're going to do, I think the next time I come out, I'm going to, where I put that lift bridge in, I didn't glue one side of the track on the one side of the bridge. So I already glued that down when I glued the other track. So now I want to solder some feeder wires on it and then hook the feeder wires to the main bus line. And then the inner track that I just finished gluing down the roadbed and everything, I have to run the bus line for that inner loop. So that'll be the next thing I'll be doing, and then putting all the feeder lines on the inside loop and then isolating it from the other loops. So there'll be a lot of electrical coming up next. In between, I am still building some of them 6 buildings that I bought from Mud Creek. And, you know, I'm not going to show you every one because it's just kind of repetition. A lot of it are just small little buildings. Some of the other ones are a little bit bigger, so I'll give you some updates on it. I also ordered some more buildings, and I ordered a little boat so I can get an idea of what it's going to look like and what kind of room I need as far as for the harbor. So, with that, until the next time we meet.